Sayla, look at Grandma. Hi. What are you doing with the puppies? Huh? What are you doing with the puppies? Come here. Sayla. Yeah.
Does that kid fall out, Vicky?
Huh?
Kid Follett, was it?
Yeah. That's the one, Ken Follett.
Still looking for a cold sore product that works for you?
Sayla. Sayla. Look at Grandma. Hi. What are you doing? You're gonna go find Grandpa now? I thought you were going to Grandpa. Okay, she's going out that way.